Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable Season 2. I am Pallavi Nigam, and as you all already know that we are back with a new recipe for every single school day. Today's recipe is honey sesame noodles. अब टिफिन में नूडल्स तो और टिफिन खाली वापस ना आए ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. So let's see how to make हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन empty टिफिन. So my pan is already nice and hot. First I'll add some oil. Now we'll add ginger garlic paste. Just saute it for just 2 minutes. And now we'll add our mushrooms. You know, mushrooms are very rich in micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, which are very important for the growth of your child. Just mix it. We'll add our other veggies, white part of spring onions, healthy tofu, and some red bell peppers. We'll just sprinkle a pinch of salt. We'll cook our veggies just for 1 minute because we want them to be crunchy. Now we'll add our noodles. For the dressing, I'm adding honey. Sesame oil and some soy sauce. And now we'll add our Kissan Tomato Ketchup. You know, Kissan Tomato Ketchup adds that required taste of fresh tomatoes, and also it blends very well and gives that beautiful red color. Now just give it a toss. Now for the final flourish, some chopped spring onion greens. और अब हम इसे अच्छे से toss कर लेंगे. And there you go! Our honey sesame noodles are absolutely ready. So simple and so quick. Let's pack our tiffin box. Some veggies. And now some sprouts and watermelon. Now my tiffin is absolutely packed and ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, do subscribe to India Food Network. Hit the like button and share the video. I will be back soon with a new recipe to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.